Hey, I'm Herein, professional investor, and one of the frequently asked questions that I receive from people is exactly where do notes come from? Today I'm going to answer that question. When people hear about mortgage notes and investing in mortgage notes, they often want to know where do they actually come from? And so here's a simple answer. When people borrow money, the lender has people sign a document that basically says, I agree to pay you back. That, my friend, is a note. And so those notes can be sold. They're a negotiable item. If you've ever purchased a car, if you've ever financed a diamond ring, if you've ever signed any document at all saying that you're going to pay back money, then you sign a promissory note. And what we do is we approach the banks that hold these notes and we buy their notes if they are for sale. Now, we never pay full price for those notes. We get something called a discount. So in one of our upcoming videos, we're going to explain how the discount works and how if you want to invest in mortgage notes, you can do that too. You can get discounts when you buy these mortgages. That's it. I'm Herein. If you want to know more, go to investbrilliantly.com. That's our website. You can learn a lot more about investing in notes there.